Horn salute. One, never know what you'll see. First one was a poster. Everhart's. What a disappointment, man. No BB pistols, rifles, and shit. Had a fucking end cap. Watch out! Look at that stupid shit. The construction up here. Good place to get in a wreck. Cozy corner RV park, Mel. It's gated and secured. Tracker boats. Yeah, I didn't know they had a fitness. Free tanning and no contracts. I'm gonna go in there and get me an orange tan. Now hiring Schreiber. Good.
So I don't want to,
I don't blame you. You're getting a wreck. Piece of property. I wouldn't want that fucking land. Trying to sell any little piece of land right here they can. Some of that land's too damn small to put a business on. If motherfucker don't have a signal, you don't have a signal, you don't have a signal. Stupid motherfucker don't have a signal. There you go, asshole in Suburban. Yeah, I saw that one coming. Used to ride motorcycles, so I'm used to having people try to kill me. You flipped me off, dude. Yeah, you didn't use a signal, you dumb motherfucker. I wonder if he's gonna do it down here. He's hitting his brakes. God damn, twice now. Twice now, dude, we ought to pull over and beat the fuck out of you for being a moron. Twice now. Dude and a fucking old man in a Suburban. What a douchebag. I don't give a fuck how rich you are. You need to use your goddamn turn signal. You look like baseball. You look like baseball's back. I hadn't seen baseball players forever, Mel. Look at this. Baseball bats and gloves and shit, man. Crazy. People place.
There's the pool hall.
Oh, really? I guess we have a pool hall now. Billiards. The billiard table. I used to ride my bike back in here. Getting the Katy Trail on that. Down a little side street here. This is that house where that girl froze to death and they had that murder. That dude shot his son or something there. Grandson or somebody. Either way, there was a murder there. A girl froze to death and then a murder a year or two back. Yeah, that grew in business, whatever that is. I don't think I'd want to live up in there. What the fuck? It looks like a repair shop. Somebody opened a new repair shop. Glad I don't have a car anymore. That's a vacant house. I can't afford the repairs. Gas, insurance, repairs. Yeah, I can't afford it. There's that yellow house. Some shady houses over here. Oh yeah, a whole row of shady shit. They mowed that one down. Remember the big old dog that was on the corner there? Fucking crack house, mowed that motherfucker down. There we go. There's my new vehicle. drive a car, I can still drive a John Deere tractor. It was an old house. Needs paint. A lot of older houses here. It's got some old siding on it. Fans up in the window. Here we are. I know where we're at. Yeah, it used to be the old Ku Klux Klan house. No shit. It had all the rebel flags, the church flag, the American flag, the statues, hooded people with white sheets. How the world turns. Look at this crazy shit. Fucking house still a disaster. Where the fuck we going?
Nowhere, home. You're out for a drive.
Yeah, obviously.
That's where they live. Oh, Noah's got his fishing poles out.
Yeah, man, that one house is still fucked up from the fire. Look at this shit, man. Fucking Grand River. Things get sketchy down in here. No, they got the meter off that house. They do, they got the meter off that one house with all the trash. Yeah, the green's coming back. The town looks a lot better when it's in color. There's a rabbit. Holy fuck, that's a rabbit, man. I haven't seen a rabbit in a long goddamn time, Mel. Wow, that's the first rabbit I have seen in years.
Pink dogwood.
Wow, a fucking rabbit. No shit. Yeah, you used to see rabbits pretty common, but not no more. I swear to God, I think that's the first one I've seen in years. So nobody liking my YouTube videos all of a sudden, so I'm gonna post this one for sure, probably. Seen a rabbit. Some chick here walking down the street. The liquor store. Wow, I hadn't seen a rabbit in a long time. Dollar Deals, huge sale on Water Street. Somebody don't like her, man, them dogs. Yeah, they letting you know that they're there any day, like. Never get out this time of day anymore. Good long video here. I don't know if I got music long enough to overlay it. This is what it is. Go, dumbass. What's that movie? D means drive, dickhead. Yeah. Studio. Cops got themselves some new cars. Look at that. A whole new fleet of new SUVs. You know why cops replace them Fords so often? The motors are junk. After all that idling and shit and all that oil and shit builds up in the motors, I think the EcoBoost are shit. Yeah, they got to keep replacing the... Holy fuck, man. Can we drive? Nobody knows how to drive today. At least this idiot here knows what a turn signal is. Could we drive, sunshine? Holy fuck, man. Great day for road rage. Everything going wrong that can go wrong. Well, they got a bunch of plants and stuff.